In this video, you'll learn how to send custom order status emails in WooCommerce. Email notifications are a key part of your store's communication. They keep customers informed and help your team stay organized. By default, WooCommerce sends emails for standard order statuses, like processing or completed. But what if you're using custom order statuses? For example, in preparation, waiting for stock, or quality check. In that case, you may want to send fully customized emails when an order reaches those statuses. To do this, we'll use SDP Custom Order Status for WooCommerce. Once you've created a custom order status, you'll find a section to configure email notifications. Let's go through the main settings. First, you can define the email subject. This is what the customer or admin will see in their inbox, so it should be clear and relevant. For example, your order is now in preparation, or your order has passed quality check. Next, you can choose the recipients. You can send the email to the customer, to the admin, or to both. Each option allows you to control who gets notified at each stage of the order. Now let's look at the email content. You can fully customize the message and include dynamic placeholders. These placeholders let you insert real order data into the email. For example, the customer name, the order number, the total amount, or the payment method. This makes each email feel personal and informative. You can also include the order summary table. This is very useful, because it shows the products, quantities, and totals directly inside the email. In some cases, you may also want to include payment instructions. For example, if the order is waiting for manual payment, you can remind the customer how to complete it. All these elements help you create clear and professional communication. Once you configure the subject, recipients, and content, save the status. Now, every time an order changes to that custom status, the email will be sent automatically. You can also resend these emails manually from the order page if needed. This gives you full control over your communication workflow. Custom order status emails are a powerful way to improve customer experience and streamline your operations. If you want to learn more about custom statuses and automation, check the other tutorials on this channel.